Good day and welcome to a new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe!
Heya, and welcome to Weekly Tips, where we'll put some sense in your tip jar. Welcome today. Today you're joined by me, Daniel, and we're going to be talking and drawing a piglet. So let's go and draw this cute little farm animal. So let's delve out to the farm and draw this cute little piglet. So yeah, start off here doing this side view of my piglet as I start to draw him. This is the easiest angle to draw your pig. To draw him in this angle, it's very simple. It's kind of where you want to start. If you do start at, say, a 3/4 view or a more dynamic view or something like that, you may struggle a little bit if you don't understand the forms. So that's why I pushed doing the side view or the front view first, to really just understand what goes into, drawing a piglet, goes into his body shape, how long his body is, because that was a big thing for me to begin with, was his body length. Is a thing I had to tackle again, because he wasn't long enough, so I drew it a few times to get that whole gist of how big his body is compared to his head and his legs, those proportions, getting those things right. And once you understand, those proportions in this piglet, then you can go into understanding and drawing in different poses, and it wouldn't be so bad because you'll get the proportions right. So his legs won't look like too long, or his body won't look too short, or these problems, these issues that you might be having as you're going for these more dynamic, more kind of 3/4 view angles. You shouldn't run into too many more of these problems if you understand the form of the pig first. Now I'll go into a front view now. I think those are the two important angles to go for, the front view and the side view. The front view is quite important to see his features on his face, that big kind of snout nose, his ears, how big his ears are compared to his head, how much they kind of stick out. Here though, I had to kind of guess at some of the features as well, because most of his body is covered by grass. So I just have to vaguely remember what I drew in that previous image and see all the other images of the piglet to kind of make it look better. Basically, use the references that I've got to make the reference that I'm drawing from better, basically, understanding that form, and understanding how I'm drawing this piglet. Then I'll go into a 3/4 view. So from here, take my side view and front view, and I'm really going for those features that I've just drawn and use them to kind of draw this 3/4 view. Now, I could have gone straight for the 3/4 as well. Me being a little bit more confident with animals, I could have gone 3 view, but if you definitely, if you're starting out, don't go straight to the 3/4 view. It's great. It can, 3/4 view can still help to understand the animal. But yeah, just having that side view and front view first, having those things underway, can give you a good start to keep drawing it. And I recommend doing those starts. Even if you are really confident with drawing animals or whatever it is, humans or something like that, doing a side and front view can be very helpful to give you a little bit of leeway to understand what goes into this animal. And yeah, it has really helped and really pushed through to get to the stage at the moment. I'm going for something a little bit more dynamic. He's kind of sniffing the ground, kind of just waking up in the morning or something. I'm not too sure what's going on. Um, Something more interesting. I still don't think I've got it completely right here. These are just sketches as they are. I didn't spend like a good couple of hours on them. I only spent like, about half an hour all up on them. Um, so, from here I would actually probably do maybe a couple more studies before I would probably push on to do a painting or something of a piglet. I'm not too sure, but yeah, thanks for joining me. If you join me, let me know down in the comments if you have seen piglets before, if you draw them, think they are cute, and anything like that. Or if you have any drawings of piglets that you'd like to share, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to see them as well. Yeah, thanks for joining me today. If you join me, hopefully you've learned something about drawing piglets. They have four legs, obviously. They have like this snout. You can see, the references I used. You can see how I kind of draw them. Yeah, so hopefully, this helps. Enjoy the piglet. Keep drawing, keep creating, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.